Apocalypse.
Yo guys, this is my Patreon for all of my coding. So when you go to the link in the description of all my future coding videos, you'll see a link to Patreon. This is what it is. We'll go from memberships first. So we'll start with the Epic Sub. Epic Sub is $4 a month. In Epic Sub you get request one entire video's code one time every month. This says sent in TXT file. I need to change this. It's going to be sent in a paste bin. And then you'll also receive a server role. This tier shows your support and helps us sustain our channel and make more videos for you. And you also get a custom role on the server. And the server is my coding server, which is also in the description. And moving on, legendary sub, it's $7.50 a month. Legendary sub, you can request 3 entire videos code 3 times every month, sent in a source bin file. You also receive a server role and get access to premium private coding help channels, and also get a shout out in future videos. And what you receive in the server: custom role, premium private help channels and video shout outs. Moving on to diamond sub, it's $9.50 a month for that. Diamond sub, you can request 7 entire videos code 7 times every month, sent in a paste bin file. You also receive a server role and get access to premium private coding help channels, and also get access to self-promotion and get a shout out in future videos. So with this one you're getting self-promotion as well. And then ultimate sub is diamond sub, $11.50 a month. You will receive a role which will give you access to download every single episode I do. You can also get access to premium private coding help channels and also get access to self-promotion and get a shout out in future videos. And yeah, and where it is you will receive a role which will give you access to download every single episode I do. That will be posted in a form on code on, yeah, you'll know, when you buy it you'll see it in the server. So yeah, and let's go to the shop. So the shop, we right now have a command handler and an advanced ping command. So if we click on this, you get, so basically we are selling a simple Discord bot with the command handler, event handler and a simple ping command already installed. So what you do if you buy this, you just watch this video here to how to set it up. And yeah, you've obviously got all the images. You've got the images of the status, you've got the command working, you've got the terminal loading all that in, and you've obviously got all the files which the bot will come with. Also in the shop, every time I make a video with a certain command, so for example if I make a video about the kick command or a ban command, I'll also be selling every single individual command in the shop, so you can purchase it instead of buying memberships. You can buy memberships if you want, and you can also buy the commands from the shop. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Before we start this episode, make sure to invite my verified bot and make sure to join the coding server. It will all be linked in the description. So let's get into it. Yo guys, Team Pulse and we're back with another video, and today we are going to be loading all of the commands in, making the interaction create file and making a simple ping command. So let's get started. First thing what we're going to need to do is go in the events folder, make a new folder called interaction, just like that, and then in that folder make a new file called interaction create.js. And if you go in the description you're going to find 2 source bin files. One's going to be command handler, and the other's going to be interaction create. The interaction create is going to be looking like this. So copy that and paste it in here like that. Close it and then make a new folder called commands with a capital C, and then in that folder make a new folder called info, and in that folder you're going to make a new file called ping.js and then you can come out of that. We'll go back to that later. And then in the description you're going to find another source bin that goes to command handlers. So click this and copy that code, and then in the handlers folder, you're going to go open that and make a new file called commandhandler.js, and then you're going to paste that code in like so, and then you're going to go to index and then after you load the events in, you're going to go const load commands equals require, and then you're going to get the path where we put the command handler, which will be /handler/command handler, and then go down here and then do client.commands equals new collection with a capital C, and then after that we're going to go down here where it says load events, and then we're going to load the commands and then add the client in there. Don't know what I did there. Add the client in there just like that, and then we should be good. Make sure you've also added the collections in through discord.js up here, so comma collections after partials. So next what you want to do is open the commands folder, go to ping.js, and then copy me const /command builder equals require discord.js, and then go down here and do module.exports equals, then open that up, and then data, new /command builder, and then .set name, and the name for this command is going to be a simple ping, and then below that we'll be doing .set description, and the description will be replies with the bots, can't spell the bots, latency, and then we can do async execute if I can spell, and then in here we'll be doing interaction client, and then go outside of there and open that up. The reason this is erroring is because we need to put a comma after that, and then inside of here we will be doing await interaction.reply, and then latency, and then inside here will be client.ws.ping, sorry, console ping, and then come outside here and do ws, and then end that with that. So yeah, that's a simple ping command. If we run the terminal, run it with nodemon, it should work. Should load all the commands up there, loaded the commands and loaded the ping.js file, and it's also loaded the bottom line. So now if we go to the server, do / get the ping, send it, and it replies to the bot's latency. We will wait a minute and then run the command again, and then if we run the ping command again, it should reply with the bot's ping, 107 WS. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is just a quick episode on how to make a ping command load all commands in. Next episode we will be making a kick, a ban, and unban command, so make sure you subscribe and post notifications on for that. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and comment, and peace. Alright, so like I said at the start, make sure to join our coding server if you need any help with any code. So if you get any errors, join the server, go to JS Coding Help and open a channel as it is here. See you on the next episode.
Go.